'Tis the season, right? What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well out there. And you know, we're in winter now. Matter of fact, earlier today I started this car up for the very first time in several weeks. It was good to hear it, but we're not going to be doing anything anytime soon. It's funny, I'm just sitting here reminiscing about the last Strong Island Stangs car show. But you know what? The fact of the matter is, again, car show season is going to be probably 4 months away up here in the Northeast. So we'll do the best we can. Otherwise, gotta say thank you to everybody out there. We are just about at 950 subscribers here on the channel, which is absolutely amazing. And I have to say, I appreciate each and every one of you that subscribe, that watch, that comment. I'm happy that you're here, and I hope you're enjoying the content. I also have to give a special shout out to my man Solo over at Solo Driven. As you can see, I got his new merch on right now. Pretty cool. His brand new logo. I hope you could see it. Crazy, I won the contest. He was doing a giveaway on Instagram, and I won it, and he sent me out a shirt and a decal and actually a cool face mask, which is kind of cool. Has his logo on it. His logo is amazing. It looks great. He's got a beautiful black Terminator Cobra. I'll put a link down in the description. If you haven't seen his stuff, definitely check him out. He's got super cool content and a beautiful car. It just seems like a really nice guy. So not too much going on here with the car. I did put the hood struts on. I hope you saw that that video. Aside from that, not a whole heck of a lot. As you can see here on the bench, I do have a brand new gimbal stabilizer for my camera. And this camera actually is a Canon M50. It's one of two cameras that I use. I also have a DSLR, a Canon 70D that I use for stills. The M50 I use mostly for video. And yeah, this gimbal will give us those super smooth, buttery smooth shots that only come from a gimbal stabilizer. I'm gonna insert a clip here of the M50 on that gimbal, just kind of playing around with it, but look for much more detailed and better shots come car show season. So I hope you enjoyed that. It's kind of tough to do it here in the garage because I'm not in a beautiful backdrop. And as you can tell, this garage has all the backyard stuff and all the bicycles in here. And that thing has gotten the most use out of anything in this garage because we had a pretty decent storm last week. But it is melting, and that's good. And you know what? The winter solstice has come and gone, which means the days are getting longer. It's an uphill climb, but you know what? We're getting closer than further. That's the way I'm trying to be about it. Optimistic. So just wanted to say happy holidays, happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, happy Kwanzaa, happy Festivus, happy New Year, whatever you celebrate. And thank you for everything that you've done to support this channel in 2020. And I hope you all have an even better, much better, let's say that incredibly much better 2021. Thanks for watching, and keep an eye for the new year. We got a lot of new projects going on, a lot of new events to talk about. Going to be working a lot with Strong Island Stangs. Some really cool things in the works with that club, and I'm happy to be part of that club, as well as things we're going to be doing here in the garage. But I don't want to spill the beans just yet. Anyway, thank you very much, and I will see you on the next one.